In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Klarna won't let me buy anything, okay? So now this can be for a few reasons, so let's go over all the reasons, okay? Now the first reason is that it might be due to your Klarna account status, okay? So make sure your Klarna account is active and in good standing. If you have unpaid balances or missed payments, Klarna may block new purchases. So log into your Klarna app or website and check for notifications, which you can check here under the Payments tab. Then we have check your payment method. So Klarna requires a valid debit or credit card linked to your account. So make sure your card is not expired, has sufficient funds, and matches the billing address you provided. And sometimes Klarna declines purchases if your card bank flags it for security reasons. Now make sure if you go to wallet and scroll all the way down, you have a valid payment method added. And additionally, you could also go to your settings on the top left corner right there, and you could perhaps see whether your billing address matches with your card, obviously. Then we have that it might be due to the merchant, because Klarna may not support every store or product. Confirm the store you're buying from accepts Klarna as a payment method. Some stores limit Klarna for high value items or certain categories. Then we have check your credit eligibility. Now, Klarna sometimes does a soft credit check. If your credit score is low or Klarna decides your account has too much risk, it may block purchases. This is temporary and can improve after paying off balances or waiting a few days, okay? Then we have clear cache or reinstall app, okay? Now I'll show you on how you can clear the cache. So just go over to settings. From here, go to the search bar and search up Klarna. There you go. From here, you're going to scroll down until you see the storage option and just go ahead and clear cache as I just did. And that should be it. You can also try reinstalling app and hopefully that fixes the issue, okay? Now, if nothing else worked, then the fastest solution is to contact Klarna directly, okay? So here, if I go to the payments tab, you can see on the top right, this option right there. I'm just going to click on it. And here you can go ahead and explain to them your issue. Customer service, you have so many options. Just go ahead and choose the one relevant to your problem and hopefully they help you out. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.